AI will replace average people, not disciplined people. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your job, your skills, and even the tasks you do every day can now be done by a machine. Faster, cheaper, better. And while most people are busy arguing about whether AI is dangerous, something much more important is happening. The world is changing, and it's changing faster than ever before. Every day, artificial intelligence learns new skills. It writes, it creates, it analyzes, it solves problems. And with every passing day, it becomes more capable. That's why millions of people are afraid. They're afraid of being replaced, afraid of becoming irrelevant, afraid of being left behind. But what if they're afraid of the wrong thing? Because the truth is, AI is not replacing disciplined people. It's replacing average habits. Think about it. The person who spends hours scrolling through social media every day. The person who keeps saying, "I'll start tomorrow." The person who avoids learning, avoids growing, and avoids change. Those habits were already dangerous before AI existed. Now they're becoming a disaster. While some people waste their time, technology keeps moving forward. While some people wait for motivation, the future keeps arriving. And while some people complain about change, others are preparing for it. The difference isn't talent. The difference isn't intelligence. The difference is discipline. Because disciplined people do something that average people don't. They adapt. When the world changes, they learn. When new tools appear, they master them. When challenges arrive, they face them. And when everyone else quits, they keep going. That's what makes them valuable. Not because they know everything, but because they're willing to learn anything. The disciplined person doesn't see AI as an enemy. They see it as a tool that can help them create faster, learn faster, build faster, grow faster. While average people fear the future, disciplined people prepare for it. And preparation changes everything. Because the future will not reward those who are comfortable. It will reward those who are adaptable, those who remain curious, those who keep improving even when nobody is watching. The people who wake up early to learn, the people who keep showing up after failure, the people who choose growth over comfort. Day after day, month after month, year after year. That's the power of discipline. And that's why discipline is becoming the most valuable skill in the age of AI. Not coding, not technology, not even intelligence. Discipline. Because technology can automate tasks, but it cannot automate character. It cannot automate persistence. It cannot automate the decision to keep moving forward when things get difficult. So if you're worried about AI replacing you, stop asking, what if AI takes my place? And start asking, am I becoming the kind of person who can adapt to any future? Because in the end, AI will replace routines. It will replace predictable work. It will replace average effort. But it will never replace a person who learns relentlessly, a person who adapts continuously, a person who refuses to stay average. The future doesn't belong to the smartest. It doesn't belong to the most talented. It belongs to the disciplined. So the question is not whether AI is coming. The question is, when it arrives, will you be average or will you be irreplaceable?